So here we're going to have a look at how to import audio files into Audacity. So to import audio files, we need to go to the File menu and select Import and select Audio. This is the type of file that we want to import. Now, when we import an audio file, for example, a WAV file I've got here, when I click Open, it's going to import it into a new track in Audacity. And here it's a mono file, so we can see just one blue waveform. Now every time I import a new audio file, it's going to open that file onto a new track. Now one thing I can do to make things a bit easier is if I have a lot of audio files, I can import them all at the same time. So let me select a few here. I've got 4 selected, and when I click to open, they're going to import on 4 new tracks here in Audacity. So now I've got 5 in total. Now it's highly likely that when you import files into Audacity that you won't want them to all play at the same time. So the time shift tool that we've already looked at allows you to align the audio so they can start one after the other. Now a quick and easy way to do this is to use the zoom out function by using the magnifying glass. So we've zoomed quite far out, and I can drag the audio files to start one after each other in the time domain. And it helps me by showing me a little yellow ruler to help me line them up so they're precisely one after another. The one thing we need to double check is the sample rate of the audio files. We need to check that the project sample rate is the same as the sample rate of the audio files we've imported. A really quick and easy way of doing this. When we look at the tracks, we can see here what type of file it is. It's a mono file. And it says here it has a sample rate of 96,000 Hertz. And it says that for all of these files I've imported. So thankfully, all my files are at the same sample rate. So all I double check is that the project sample rate is the same as this, which is automatically set to because they're all the same. So I'm ready to go. Now, if you find that your sample rates are different between the audio files, they're going to play back at different speeds to each other. Now ideally you want your sample rate to be 44,100 Hz, but it entirely depends on what the sample rate of the audio files you have in the first place are.